Hello, girls, how are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kindera, and today I brought more words about Chile. Before learning these words, we're going to read this poem. The title of the poem is In September, and it's now circled in blue. September is the month where we celebrate our country, Chile. See that arrow? That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. Remember, girls, we always read from left to right and up and down. Okay, now I am going to read the poem, and as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in red, so pay attention. Ready? Let's go. In September, lots of barbecues and a coat of arms. In September, we celebrate with a waving flag. The penguins in the Antarctic dance under snowflakes. In September we go to the river or lake. The people in the Easter Island also celebrate, dancing around volcanoes. September is great. Okay, so that is the poem, and now that you know the vocabulary words, I am going to introduce them. I am going to say the word once, and then I am going to count up to three like this. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to say the word together. Ready? Let's go. Barbecue. 1, 2, 3. Barbecue. That looks yummy, right? Coat of arms. 1, 2, 3. Coat of arms. Flag. 1, 2, 3. Flag. Penguins. 1, 2, 3. Penguins. Antarctic. 1, 2, 3. Antarctic. River. 1, 2, 3. River. Lake. 1, 2, 3. Lake. Easter Island. 1, 2, 3. Easter Island. Volcano. 1, 2, 3. Volcano. Okay, so those were the vocabulary words. And now that you know them, we're going to read the poem one more time. Ready? Let's go. In September, lots of barbecues and a coat of arms. In September, we celebrate with a waving flag. The penguins in the Antarctic dance under snowflakes. In September, we go to the river or lake. The people in the Easter Island also celebrate, dancing around volcanoes. September is great. Okay, very good. So now that we have learned the words, I have a game for you with Wally. But Wally's gone. We need to call out for him. Okay, let's call out for him. 1, 2, 3. Wally! There he is. Very good, Wally. I need you to play this game. But he disappeared again. Let's call out for him one more time, but a little bit louder. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wally! Ah, there you are, Wally. I was looking for you because I need to play a game with you. Do you want to play a game with these girls? Okay, Wally. So now that we have learned our vocabulary words, Wally is going to hide. So everybody have to say bye bye, Wally. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. Bye bye, Wally. Oh, so now Wally is hidden behind one of the vocabulary words. So we're going to try to guess where Wally is hiding. Ready? Let's go. Well, first I think maybe Wally can be hidden around under the lake, behind the lake. Let's see. So Wally is, say the whole phrase. Wally is behind the lake. Oh, he's not over there. Well, let's see. Maybe behind the volcano? Okay, so let's say 1, 2, 3. Wally is behind the volcano. Oh, he's not there. Where is Wally? Maybe behind the coat of arms? Let's see. So let's say the whole phrase. 1, 2, 3. Wally is behind the coat of arms. There he is. Very good, Wally. Where you were under behind the coat of arms. So now Wally is going to hide one more time. Do you want to find it and look for him? Okay, so let's say bye-bye, Wally. So now he's hidden again. Where might Wally be? Let's see. Maybe behind the barbecue? Let's see. Wally is behind the barbecue. Oh, he's not there. Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's see. Maybe behind the Antarctic? Let's say the phrase. Wally is behind the Antarctic. Yes, there he was. Very good, Wally. That was easy because we found it in the second try. Very good. So, are you ready to try one more time? Okay, so let's say bye-bye, Wally. So now Wally is hidden one more time. Let's see, maybe behind the river? Okay, so let's say the phrase. Wally is behind the river. Oh no, he's not there. Maybe behind the penguins. Let's say Wally is behind the penguins. Oh, he's not there. Oh, maybe behind the flag, our Chilean flag. Let's see. Wally is behind the flag. Yes, there he was. Very good, Wally. Okay, so do you want to play one more time? Okay, so let's say bye-bye, Wally. Okay, there he goes. So where might Wally be? Maybe behind the volcano? Let's say the phrase. Wally is behind the volcano. No, he's not there. Let's see. Maybe the Easter Island. That is one word we haven't said, so let's say. Wally is behind the Easter Island. No. The barbecue. Maybe Wally is hungry. So let's see. Wally is behind the barbecue. No, he's not there. He wasn't hungry. Maybe the lake? So let's say Wally is behind the lake. Yes, there he was. Excellent, Wally. Do you want to play one more time? Okay. Bye-bye, Wally. Okay, this is the last time we're playing, okay? So, where might Wally be? Maybe behind the coat of arms? Let's say the phrase. Wally is behind the coat of arms. No, he's not there. Maybe behind the flag again? Let's see. Wally is behind the flag. No, he's not there this time. Maybe behind the penguins? Let's see. Maybe he made some friends like the penguins. Let's see. Say the phrase. Wally is behind the penguins. Yes, there he was. He was making some friends. Okay, so now let's say bye-bye, Wally. I hope you like this game. Bye-bye. A kiss for everybody.